Hello and namaste everyone. We are going to see how can we see the changes on QGIS. So first of all, I'm just loading XYZ tile. For example, I will load a satellite image and another satellite image which is of past data collection, which is by Bing Virtual Earth. And if you see these two data are ST is a latest one and Bing Virtual Earth is a old one of roughly around 2020 up to 2020. This data is there. So I just zoomed to the area where Melamchi got flooded. This is the place where Melamchi got flooded, and now I go to plugin, manage and install fog plugin all, and I search map swipe. Okay, this is my tool, map swipe tool, and I just uh do turn it on. If you haven't installed it, you get the chance to install here, and then you click on install and close it. Okay, so once you do that, map swipe tool will be on over here, and if you click on it, you can see that my layer is off, but I can swipe it by that layer. You can see the changes. This area has a good agricultural houses and park, but now it has been thrown as a debris flow area. This is how we can see the changes with any satellite image. Thank you for your time. See you again. Bye.